Hi everyone, this is Somnath. Welcome to my vlog number 11. Hi people. It is going to be a new year. 2020 ख़त्म हो रहा है और 2021 शुरू होगा. And I'm not expecting at all anything. Let everything be a surprise. This or that way. So I wish I could be with my friends in this new year too. I feel like we should celebrate this 2021 with a small change, and therefore let's go to ribbons and balloons, get a cake, a small super mini cake. We'll cut the cake in the new year. Positive resolutions from our side, at least. If nature is not taking, then at least we should take some positive resolution for this year. Typical वो सब नहीं, गंदा खाना नहीं खाएंगे, फास्ट फूड नहीं खाएंगे, वो सब झूठ के resolutions नहीं. Let's go to ribbons balloons then, and we'll get this cake from there.
Spending millions every day, but I still the same. Maybe I'm your Santa, white collar gangster. मैं तो नहीं पीता, बोल के पिला दी फैंटा. मुझे प्यार करे दिल से हिंदुस्तान की जनता. अपन को अब रब से और कुछ नहीं मांगता. घंटी बजी जिंगल 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 जिंगल, बस आज का जिंगल 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 जिंगल.
So today is 24th of December, और 24th of December में हम लोग क्रिसमस है, तो आज शाम को चलते हैं. आई विल गेट सम चीकू जूस फ्रॉम अ स्टोर, लोकल स्टोर नियर बाई, and you will also get to know कहाँ से है. There's lot many stores available around, but that particular one is easily you can find it out while coming on the highway from Tiger Circle to what we say अपना गेट नंबर 1 है ना, MIT का, और ईश्वर नगर की तरफ जो रास्ता जाता है, सेम रोड. Come to Fresh Juice World, and we took the Chiku wala milkshake from here, and it's around 9 PM. They serve good milkshakes. और आज हमें actually this is early week of Jan, and हम लोग को assignment दिया गया है कॉलेज में to submit lots of like हम लोग को पार्टी को exclude करना पड़ रहा है all because of assignment headache in our MIT, और टीचर्स लोग भी like so we'll submit the assignment.
Или это дама сердце, будешь ли моей? Сможешь ли ты растопить железное во мне? Скажи мне, что ты ждешь, заходи, жизнь моя.
So we are done with submitting the assignments to department. Today I'm walking down to my room after having breakfast. I was actually searching for Mysore Pak in Nandini's parlor, milk parlor. And we have got Mysore Pak from a local Nandini store. It's famous over in South, at least in Karnataka.
A few moments later.
Today is actually Numan's birthday. That is in January. We'll be going to his home for lunch. He has invited us for lunch, and we had a get together today on his birthday after class in Manipal. Come to
birthday boy.
Numan का birthday है upcoming in this January month. So he has invited us to his home. So we'll go to his home, travel there, and nearby Kapu beach है, तो we will also go to Kapu beach. That's also coming. और जा रहे हैं नुमान के घर कापू बीच. ये अक्षय
Needless to say, I keep a check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L, don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride like a cruise.
हम लोग अभी नुमान के घर से सी ऑफ किए अंकल आंटी को और जा रहे हैं कहाँ?
बीच कापू बीच
कापू बीच.
लाइट हाउस
उसका मेन साइट सीइंग है लाइट हाउस.
I think your love would be too much, or you'd be left in the dust. Unless I stuck by ya. You're the sunflower. You're the sunflower.
Every time I'm leaving on you, you don't make it easy.
So we are walking from the main highway towards the Kapu beach. It's a 1.9 kilometer run from starting. ये jackfruit है, but you guys see and tell what is it, if anybody knows, in the comment section.
You don't wanna be alone. I know I always come and go, but it's out of my control.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no.
We are on the way to Kapu, and on the way you will find people having
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಬೈದರ್ಕಳ ಪುಯ್ಯ ಪೊಡಿ ಕಲ್ಲ ಗೊರೋಡು.
चलो शॉर्टकट चलो देख के आते हैं कैसा है. एक ही तो बीच है.
सी दिख रहा है ना.
यहाँ पे ये मंदिर है, यहाँ से भी आपको एक शॉर्टकट मिलेगा यहाँ पे ऑन द वे इटसेल्फ. टेक अ राइट टर्न इफ आर कमिंग फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, आई मीन फ्रॉम द हाईवे. ओके, these are probably the fishermen. They are crafting their मच्छी का नेट. Okay, we are into the beach now. अरे क्या सीनरी है ब्रो. Have a lighthouse at the Kapu beach, the one I was talking about, and this is it, lighthouse. तो हम लोग बीच उस तरफ है सामने आफ्टर लाइट हाउस, एंड वी हैव कम बिफोर लाइट हाउस. लाइक ऐसे है, डीप ज़्यादा है इधर पास में. एंड मालपे इज़ लाइक टूरिस्ट प्लेस एंड स्टफ, और ये खाली खाली सा है. एंड बेटर इफ़ यू वांट इन अ साइलेंट प्लेस टू कम, तो यू कैन कम हियर एंड विजिट. रोड टू द प्लेस, सो वी हैव वाटर रनिंग, लाइक बैकवाटर्स है ना, mini, micro, super micro backwaters. Done with the middle canal wala scene, and here everyone, now we'll climb the lighthouse. So we'll go to the lighthouse. Let's climb. So we came from that end of the beach. वहाँ से आए आके क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे एंजॉय किए, एंजॉय करके फिर यहाँ से ऊपर चढ़ के आने का. And here you go to the lighthouse. So we are at the Kapu beach. Closed, lighthouse is closed for now. But meanwhile, you can enjoy the top view of the beach. So if you're watching my videos, don't forget to like them, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe to the channel and share, care and love with your friends and my vlog. If you want more content, ask in the comment, or please comment what else do you want to watch in Manipal. I'll surely try my best to show up what you guys want. Thank you.